Hey Mavens, today we're talking about something that most of us women have been trained to ignore, and that's what people say behind our backs. But once you become an entrepreneur, that mindset has to change. Because you're in an industry where credibility is king, so your power is your reputation. And so it deserves protection. As women, we're taught to rise above. Don't let the gossip get to you. Just keep going. But here's the thing. When your name is your business, reputation isn't optional. It's your leverage, your legacy, your power. You don't need to respond to every innuendo, but you need to be intentional about your brand. You can't control what people say, but you can control the environment that allows that to grow. And that means choosing credibility over comfort. Don't laugh off slights. Don't excuse red flags in your circle. Don't let keeping the peace cost you your power. Letting things slide because it's easier, that's a tax on your long-term brand, which is a great pun, right? You've worked way too hard to let your credibility get diluted by association. Here's a truth that hits. You can't change the people around you, but you can change the people you're around. Rewind that and listen again. If someone's behavior is quietly chipping away at how others see you, they are not your people. They should not have access to your orbit. Protecting your power starts with curating your circle. Being a woman in business doesn't mean letting everything roll off your back. It means knowing when to rise above and when to reinforce boundaries. Because your name is not just a name, it's your calling card, your character, your empire. If this episode resonated with you, please like, drop a shield in the comment, and subscribe. And please forward this to a woman in your life who's building something big. And as always, if you've got an extra 4 minutes, we've got an extra episode. Up next, 5 self-inflicted wounds that'll send your bookkeeping practice to the emergency room, and how to heal quickly if they do.